Hello and welcome back. So you have seen probably this early image of barn that had uploaded. So sometimes when we let's see if we want to add anything like let's keep this grass here. Let's add another heading of sky. So sometime when we keep or when we have to choose some colors, for example I'm currently selecting this, I have to choose some colors, and probably sometime I would like to add some photos that is right close to this one. So one way is when you select this, we have this photo colors here and it will give you different options right at here. So definitely this is also a color palette choosing, so which is right at here. You can see this is the same color of the sky. So this is one way which shows most of the colors most of the time available at here. And the next is for example I select this grass, again I go to this plus and you can see I can select this grass option at right here from our photo colors option right at here. Also, if you want to select some color palette and just utilize it, what you can do is you can search for Canva color palette and it will open a Canva color palette website, which is canva.com colors/color palette generator. So you just simply upload an image. So here I have uploaded an image and you can see here at the bottom, wait a minute, it will select, and here there are different color palettes generated for this image. So also there are different color palettes at available here. Basically these are some other generated links through this Canva palette. This will most probably in early days when Canva started, we used to go to here, select the palette. For example, I would like to select sky color, so I select this Have Clock Blue, what that Canva has named. So Have Clock Blue, you can copy from here or copy simply by clicking here and go to your barn design. So currently if I have to change this color of the sky, using that I select here, go to this color and then go to this plus, and now I paste that here. So I get that color, you can see, and then now I can slightly play along if I wish to, if I don't feel that color is right. Or okay, paste back here and you will get that color which you need. And that's all. If you can do change all to change both these two, and that would be, I press Ctrl Z for this. Now for this grass I can select also from here, or let's do this time from here, copy, and then for this grass let's open this one using plus and then paste that, and here I have the color, and that would probably include it right at here. So early days when Canva started, you used to do from this color palette generator. Now you simply go to your colors and in your photo colors it will show you here. If you have multiple images, then it will show you here for multiple images or recently used images. If you are doing some presentations or that sort of thing where you have multiple images, so you can play along with this feature of Canva and enjoy along. So I'll see you on the next lecture now. Hello and welcome back. So sometimes while we are using our design tool, doesn't matter if it has to be Canva or anything else. So we are often confused with what colors to be chosen and how to move forward with any color choice. So for that, Canva has prepared this site, especially canva.com/colors, where it provides you 4 basic tools that helps to give color a meaning. So every color has a meaning, definitely we all know this story. So we have already seen this color palette generator. Let's see. This one was where we uploaded an image and it would give us 4 combinations and we used to copy and drag it there. Similarly, we have, like, we can select from here, and this is quite same to color palette ideas. So when you go to color palette ideas, you will get different palettes of ideas. For example, here is strawberry fruit. Let's see. Going through this strawberry fruit, you get these 4 color combination and something similar to those. It shows you how you can use that in your Canva and some other projects. So definitely you can navigate along the Canva site for this purpose. Let's go to one more. Let's see this window tide one. We can see this in the glass image, the inspiration where this comes from and the related combination and some related templates through it. Let's say if we browse through its templates, we'll get different sort of templates inside of Canva for that specific purpose. So you can see here different, discover this template. Now my Canva is designed through this template. So let's get back and see something more. Now we have these color wheels. So let's close this. Inside of this color wheel, this basically gives you theory and some interesting fact about some colors and here and there. So for example, let me go to a slide of this magenta and suppose it becomes the green one. So you can see this is the complementary to this color is this a bit green one. You can see this is sort of pinkish and this is the green one. So here is this combination, monochromatic, analogous. You can see there are different combinations if you have to select some specific one, and this is simply the wheel gives you the idea for that. So here is the wheel, and you can see the wheel letting you choose the right color combination, and this how to use this wheel is shown here. So during this course we will show you, and sometimes if you would like to fill through using this on your own, you can definitely do that. So that's this one. The final one is color meanings. So for example, if I would like to know some meanings inside the color indigo, so let's search once again. Okay, indigo, and we search for the meaning of this color indigo. We can see this indigo is quite similar to blue and violet. The color conversion, the hex code, everything related to it, and how you can use it in Canva for that one. Similarly, you can get some related combination using this indigo color and more about that. So if you want to search for something like, let's say, chocolate color. So for the color of chocolate as well, there are some inspiring things, some shades, so some history behind this and some meaning. So you can go over the site of Canva and you can navigate and learn more about them, but that's for you guys to explore. So do enjoy this feature of Canva because this is absolutely essential when you are working with colors, and you'll get more generic idea about different colors and right combination for when to use them. So you can see, you can go get your analogous, complement, triad, and everything like that, and try it here. So that would be all. Now I'll see you on the next lecture then.